The 2027 Jeep Wrangler is finally addressing the biggest complaint about the current generation. It's too expensive for what it offers. But Jeep isn't just making it more affordable. They're making it more capable, more versatile, and more practical than ever before. If you've been waiting for the perfect off-roader that doesn't break the bank, the 2027 Wrangler is about to change everything. The Hurricane Straight 6 returns. After 18 years, the legendary Straight 6 is back in Wrangler form. The 3.0-liter twin-turbo Hurricane 6 is replacing the thirsty V8 as the volume engine, delivering 420 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque through an 8-speed automatic. Here's why this matters. You've been complaining about fuel costs every time you hit the trails. Picture this. You're planning a weekend camping trip 3 hours into the mountains, but you're calculating gas money instead of focusing on the adventure. The Hurricane gives you that immediate torque punch for rock crawling, while reportedly delivering 30% better fuel economy than the outgoing V8. You get the pulling power where it counts without emptying your wallet at every gas station. But that's not the only powertrain upgrade Jeep's addressing. The 392 V8 stays put. While the Hurricane handles volume duty, the 6.4-liter Hemi V8 remains untouched in the Rubicon 392. This isn't about specs, it's about character. You've been worried that electrification and efficiency mandates would kill the soul of the Wrangler. Imagine pulling up to the trailhead and hearing that unmistakable V8 rumble echoing off canyon walls. That's not something a turbocharged 6 can replicate, no matter how capable. Jeep understands some of you bought a Wrangler specifically for that naturally aspirated soundtrack, and they're keeping it exactly where it belongs. And that sets up the electrification everyone's been asking for. True 4xe capability without compromise. The plug-in hybrid 4xe system is getting refined for 2027, maintaining 375 combined horsepower, while extending electric-only range to around 25 miles. Plus, reports point to a range-extended electric variant with axle-mounted motors. Your biggest complaint? Wanting trail capability, but needing daily efficiency for your commute. Picture this. Monday through Friday, you're running errands and commuting on pure electric power, spending zero on fuel. Come Saturday morning, you've got full Wrangler capability for that technical trail run, with the gas engine there when you need extended range. No range anxiety, no capability compromise. But the powertrain story goes even deeper than most realize. 6 different ways to power your adventure. Beyond the headline engines, Jeep's offering the most comprehensive powertrain lineup in Wrangler history. The base 3.6-liter V6 stays for affordability. The 2.0-liter Turbo 4 delivers 295 pound-feet of low-end torque, and electrified options span from plug-in hybrid to full e-rev capability. Here's the owner complaint this solves. You couldn't find the right balance of price, capability, and efficiency. Whether you're a weekend warrior on a budget, a daily commuter who trails on weekends, or someone wanting cutting-edge electric torque delivery, there's finally a Wrangler engineered specifically for how you actually use it. No more settling for close enough. And speaking of not settling, the capability upgrades go beyond just power. Trail rating pushed beyond perfect. The current Rubicon already scores a perfect 10 on Jeep's trail rating system, but the 2027 is reportedly targeting a 12 rating through improved articulation, better approach angles, and enhanced underbody protection. Your complaint? Current Wranglers hit their limits on the most technical terrain, where cheaper rigs turn back. Picture attempting that ledge climb that's been taunting you all season. The one where wheel placement and ground clearance make the difference between conquering it and backing down. The 2027's improved geometry and articulation mean you're attempting lines that would stop other capable SUVs cold. But the biggest game changer is how all this capability finally comes together. Zero compromise daily usability. For the first time, the Wrangler is engineered from the ground up to excel both on technical trails and during your Tuesday morning commute. Refined Hurricane powertrains, improved noise dampening, better road manners, and electrified efficiency, without sacrificing a single degree of approach angle or inch of ground clearance. This solves the complaint that's kept more buyers away than any other, choosing between a capable trail rig and a practical daily driver. Imagine dropping the kids at school Tuesday morning in comfortable silence, then attacking a boulder field Saturday afternoon with confidence. The 2027 Wrangler finally delivers both experiences from the same vehicle without apology. Here's why this complete package matters. Jeep isn't just updating the Wrangler, they're eliminating every excuse that's kept serious buyers on the sidelines. Whether your priority is fuel efficiency, trail capability, daily comfort, or electrified torque delivery, the 2027 lineup has a version engineered specifically for your needs. No more compromise, no more good enough, just the most complete off-road package ever built.